What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Teresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series. Today, I want to talk to you about growing your business like an entrepreneur. One way to grow your business is to defer a portion of your earnings as additional capital. The net income arising from your business is definitely the fruits of your labor. Net income is earnings minus all the expenses and costs, including taxes, rent, etc. This is the part of the income that will become yours, an amount that you can withdraw for personal use. However, there are times when an entrepreneur refuses to make a withdrawal or refuses to make a full withdrawal. This is because they reinvest the net income back into the business as additional investment. This is how businesses grow. Making a proposal to lending firms to grow your business is also a growth idea. Having your business defer a portion of your net income is one way to grow your business, but there is another method. You can borrow additional investment funds from lenders, either traditional or alternative financing sources. This is a good choice to make if you need a large lump sum of capital. If your business is set up as an entity and registered legally, this is a safer choice for lenders. Think of additional products or services you can offer. Another way to grow your business is to offer more products or services. If you're selling computers, for example, you can expand your business by offering other electronic products as well, such as digital cameras and MP3 players, etc. Ideally, new products should still be somewhat related in nature to the current products you offer. Now, if you want to offer a completely new set of products, for example, you're selling computers and you want to start selling beauty products, it's advisable that you open a separate online store for the new products. You can also increase your scope of suppliers to grow your business. As much as you want to be loyal to your suppliers, it's not how business is really done. Unless you signed an exclusivity contract with your supplier, you should always keep your eyes open for the possibility of acquiring new suppliers. Always keep searching. Why? Because you might find suppliers that offer lower prices than your current suppliers. Acquiring merchandise at a lower price means higher income for you. Now, of course, there are other things to consider, such as quality. So ask questions like, although this supplier is cheaper, is his products the same, if not better in quality? So keep that in mind. Think about increasing the scope of your target customers as you grow your business. Simply put, you should offer products or services that also cater to other demographics. If you're currently offering products for women, for example, maybe you should also start offering products for men as well. And if you're currently selling to the US market only, maybe you can think of ways on how to extend your services globally. This is a good way to expand your business if you started with a smaller, limited scope of target customers. Now, of course, expansion is going to cost more money, so make sure you calculated the cost before making your move. Also, expanding your business is like opening a new business. This means that you will need to do another feasibility study before going ahead with the plan. With the feasibility study, your plans of expansion will surely take a better path. Also, increasing your scope of advertisement can also grow your business. However, Doing advertisement is costly. This is why newly opened businesses often limit the scope of their advertisement in order to save costs. So for example, a business may choose to advertise via the internet only and refuse to advertise via television or radio because of the costs. But once your business has become more financially stable, you may want to start increasing the scope of your advertisement in order to invite more customers. If you have only used free advertisement tools, maybe you can start implementing paid advertisement tools to help you increase the growth. Now, these are just some ideas for you to think about to grow your business. I hope today's episode helped you reevaluate your growth strategy. Post your thoughts and questions in the comments. I want to hear from you. I want you to join me on the next episode where we will discuss how to absorb losses like an entrepreneur. This will be a very interesting topic for you. Until next time, remember, you are physically fabulous and you are worth it.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Teresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.